Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this fully loaded 2016 Heartland Bighorn 3750 front living room 5-slide fifth wheel. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Overall exterior length is 41 feet 9 inches, and the exterior height to the dual AC units is 13 feet 3 inches, and the unloaded vehicle weight or dry weight when it came off the assembly line is 14,150 pounds. And there's a little telltale sticker here, a little yellow tag usually on the inside of the door. Unloaded vehicle weight 14,152 pounds exactly when it came off the assembly line. Go ahead and give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. This is the front living room floor plan. Probably one of the most popular floor plans. This coach is a one owner coach. The only reason why the current owner is selling it is because they are done with the RV lifestyle. Let's start up in the living room area. Living room, front living room floor plan, step up into the living room area, and you do have two slide outs in the living room area here. Both slide outs are going to be about 7 foot long and about 2.5, maybe 3 foot deep, and it does accommodate both slide outs accommodate the ultra leather hide to bed sleeper sofa or the leatherette. Got good lighting here, kind of show off that fabric. That ultra leather finish is pretty much excellent condition on this coach. All the fabrics inside, I definitely rate it 1 through 10, 10 being the best as far as condition. I would definitely rate the inside probably a 8 or a 9. The only reason why I say that is because there is showing some wear on the carpet. There's your other hide to bed sleeper sofa. So you could fit 4 people up in here as far as sleeping arrangements. Pretty easy. Okay, and then you have the third sofa is going to be the power reclining theater seating, and it does have heat and massage. Let's zoom in on that for a second. And again, all the ultra leather fabric, pretty much excellent condition. And see if I can show off that carpet. I'm pretty picky when I do my walk arounds, but the carpet is showing just a little bit of wear. The owners use it probably about 4 or 5 months out of the year when they're in Texas. Okay, front entertainment area here is going to be, I believe, maybe a 65-inch flat screen TV, and it does have a home theater, kind of a sound bar set up here. Home theater, Bluetooth, MP3 hookup, pretty much all the good stuff. And the stereo is by Jensen. Show off that Jensen badge there. And of course fireplace. And all your lights are all LED. I do also want to point out in the ceiling area you do have the Whisper Quiet AC unit, which is the quietest AC unit in the industry. On the driver's side of the coach, these are going to be your returns, and on the passenger side they're going to be the exhaust, so the cold air comes out this side, and the return for intake is all down the driver's side. So it's pretty quiet. It's definitely a lot quieter than the traditional AC units where they're just mounted right dead center, and the return sometimes can get pretty loud. Okay, show off that kitchen area here. In the kitchen, this is going to be your third slide out. It's going to be probably 10 foot long and about 2.5, maybe 3 foot deep. And you do have solid surface Corian style countertops all throughout. Nice sink cover, huge double bowl stainless steel sink, which is undermounted. Easier to clean, and you do have the Mullen style spray. And over here, this did come originally with 2 covers that are the solid surface matching countertop extensions on here to cover up the 3-burner cooktop, but the owners had this put in, but they do have the original covers that go here, and this thing comes off pretty easy. It comes off within 2 seconds. 3-burner gas cooktop, front burner is going to be usually a high output stainless steel finish on the oven. I believe that's probably a 22-inch oven, and you do have the convection oven, not a microwave. And all your cabinets are going to be some of the best in the industry. They're a glazed finish, and I don't know, maybe a cherry finish. And your refrigerator is going to be the upgraded 22 cubic foot double door refrigerator with water dispenser, as you can see, and ice cube dispenser on the door. Stainless steel finish, and this does have the ice maker. Show off the inside there. This is a residential fridge, runs off electric, so this coach does have, I believe it's going to be a standalone 3,000 watt inverter to power the refrigerator when not plugged in, and while you're driving down the road it will stay cold. And it's a Frigidaire gallery edition, beautiful, probably one of the best, definitely one of the best fifth wheels you're going to find on a fifth wheel. Your hutch area here, and show off some of those cabinets. It's that glaze finish. Again, some of the best cabinetry work you're going to find. All the styles are all solid wood, and it's screwed and glued, not stapled. And again, it's the Corian countertop. All over this coach is the Corian style countertops, and freestanding table and chairs. And walking back to the side hallway. Foot flush China toilet or porcelain toilet. Nice huge walk-in shower. Glass enclosed with skylight. And you do have seating area for shaving legs. A lot of headroom, and the bathroom area with the front living room floor plan, Corian countertops in the medicine cabinet area here, and vanity area. Walking into the master bedroom. Master bedroom is going to be a king bed, and this is going to be, the king bed is going to be your fourth slide out. And king bed does lift up. There's storage up underneath. Nice closets off to the right. And let's walk around here. Oh, huge window in the back, and I do want to point out those are the roller blinds, the blackout blinds. These are the ones you want. Back up here. This is going to be your fifth slide out. Accommodates a 32-inch flat screen, and of course all the closets and drawers you could possibly imagine having on a fifth wheel in the master bedroom. And you also have a closet here, which is prepped for washer and dryer, and they have the splendid line washer and dryer. Stackable unit. Definitely nice. And you do have the back up here, it's that Dyson vacuum. Definitely the best vacuum cleaner you're going to find in a fifth wheel or camper. Okay. Look at that headroom. More of a headroom. It's going to be your thermostat control for your heat and your AC. This is going to be your control for your vents, your roof vents. Kind of show off. I do want to point out ceiling fan there, and fantastic vent fan there. And again, the roller blinds, blackout blinds. These are their day and night blinds. And okay, speed up the video. We're going to show off the monitor panel here. Monitor panel. This is equipped. This is fully loaded. It is equipped with the generator, 5500 Onan Marquis gasoline generator. It's your start button and stop button. And currently, the generator has, I believe it's 11 hours on it. See if I can back up. I think that's 11 hours. These are your monitor. Tank monitors, and your battery full fresh water. I believe is going to be 67 gallon fresh water tank. Black tank is going to be, I believe, it's going to be 45 gallon toilet tank or black tank, and your gray tanks are going to be 90 gallon. And it's going to be your awning line. Let's turn that on. Water pump, water heater, 12-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. Flip switch on whether your gas hooked up to shore power or you're boondocking. 15 minutes later you'll have hot water. And these are going to be lights, floodlights, outside exterior lights, inside interior lights. And these are going to be your slide out buttons right here. And down here, and it's going to be your awning button. And this does have the Yeti package. It's extreme weather. Basically, it's fully enclosed, heated underbelly, and you got all the good stuff. All your tanks are heated. This is your Magnum inverter switch. Probably more than likely going to be for that refrigerator. All right. Back up here, show off that outside. And again, this is equipped with the Yeti package, and it's a polar package. Basically, it's all weather. Your tanks are heated, and your fully enclosed heated underbelly. Your gate valves or dump valves are all enclosed and protected. And I do believe this has dual pane windows, so you can definitely live in this in extreme weather. This is definitely one of the best installations you're going to get. I believe R34 in the roof and R38 in the floor. So definitely one of the best installations you're going to get. Beautiful front molded painted fiberglass cap, gel coated. This is a full gel coat finish on this coach. Full aluminum frame construction. Does have the slide out awning package. Full power awning. I believe it's going to be might be a 16-foot power awning, and it's fully adjusting. Let's start in the front here. You've got dual 30-pound LP tanks. The other one's on the other side. I'll show you that when we get on the back side. Slam latch baggage doors, gotta love them. And all your baggage doors are all insulated. Show off the exterior storage of the garage area here. And there's going to be your level up system for your 6-point auto level. Hit a few switches and a couple of minutes later you're ready to go. Look at it, you do have tie downs on this coach in the storage compartment, and your storage compartment does have forced duct heating in here. So anyway, pretty neat. Slam latch baggage doors. I do want to point out the generator. That's the fuel cell for the generator. Fuel cell for the 55 Onan Marquis generator. Let's see here. Frameless tinted windows. Again, I believe they are dual pane. Show off the Bighorn badge there. The 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels. I believe the owner said the coach has currently 1,500 miles on the coach. On the tires, you do have the MoRide hitch suspension system. Basically, it's like springs and shocks. And I think they also maybe call it almost like an independent suspension. It's for a smoother ride. And huge storage in the rear up underneath the bedroom area. Probably some of the largest storage you're going to find on a fifth wheel on these front living room floor plans. Back up here, show off that rear side from the front. There is a scratch on the back corner here. I'll show you. Again, a full walk-on roof, ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof. It's prepped up for backup camera, and beautiful rear molded fiberglass cap. Some of your fifth wheels won't have a rear molded fiberglass cap, but this one does. And there's your scrape. Owner does not know how he did it. It's just cosmetic, kind of showing. It's a little bit of a gouge there. A little touch-up paint. I think you should be good to go. And this little weather stripping is coming off. Anyway, it's a non-issue. It's cosmetic, and I think he's going to try to fix that. But I would just buy a new piece. It's just warped, but it's just screwed on. No big deal. You do have the 33-foot power cord, power reel. That's definitely a nice feature. And that's that storage up underneath the king bed. And this is again storage up underneath. Well, this is in the living room area right next to the king bed. Show off that enclosed heated underbelly and that spare tire. Here's your 6-point auto level system. 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels with correct track. So you're riding true down the road. And I did check this coach for delamination. Any bubbling on the outside, did not find any issues. furnace is going to be a 42,000 BTU furnace, and your water heater 12 gallon. It's going to be your waterworks hookup here, and this is again that heated storage compartment I was showing you on the front side. This is equipped with a water softener system. It's about $100 system the owner put into this water softener setup, but pretty cool. Alright, and so there's some of your gate valves there for your gray tank, and it looks like you've got maybe city water and your tank fill right there. Just turn that little switch there and you should be good to go on water, and then outside shower, hot and cold running water. Cable hookups here. You also have a service light, 110 outlet here, probably another cable hookup it looks like, and you can winterize it pretty easy just by following the directions, and water heater bypass. Pretty cool. Alright, and again insulated baggage doors. Oh, and there is a tie down right there. Oh, and this is going to be your other 30-pound LP tank. Guess they do that just to balance out the weight. And before I back up, I do want to show off, this is going to be your button for your front leveling jacks for leveling up on your truck. And there's going to be your 5500 Awning gasoline powered generator, and here's your reservoir for your hydraulic system on your slide outs. Oh, and I do want to point out, I believe this is going to be your solar panel hookup right here. And nice service light. Let's back up here. It's a beautiful fifth wheel, other than the little scratch on the on that back corner, and a little bit of wear on signs of wear on the carpet inside. Other than that, it's a clean camper. I don't think anybody would be disappointed in it. It's definitely fully loaded for a Bighorn. I know I didn't get everything. This thing's fully loaded, but anyway, alrighty. If you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube.